and welcome to QTPod. I am Jay Kim, and today we are going to talk about how to order Korean cosmetics as wholesale from QTPod. The process is very simple, and we have clear instructions throughout our website. This tutorial is going to be in detail and for beginners. If you are familiar with a part of this tutorial, you may fast forward to the next point. If you have landed on this wholesale page, you may click on any of the buttons to go to the pricing page. So once you land on the price page, you are requested to log into your wholesale account. Remember, the wholesale prices are open to only wholesale customers. If you do not have a wholesale account, you may click on sign up button to register a new wholesale account. And remember, under account type, you should select wholesale. If you have a retail account, or if you sign up a retail account by mistake, you may contact us and we can help you to change your retail account into a wholesale account. Let's assume you have a wholesale account. We go ahead and log into your account. So once you logged in, you will have a brand list, and all the brands are categorized into their categories like cosmetics, healthcare, contact lens, and beauty devices. We may have more categories going forward. Let's assume you're looking for cosmetics, and all the brands for cosmetics are listed right here. We have MOQ for each brand and supplier rates according to the brand's order size. The easiest way to look for the brand is by searching right here in the search bar. So let's assume we are looking for Etude. So once we type Etude, the brand is filtered out. And to check the wholesale price, we have to download the order sheet for Etude House. So click right here on the download button to download order sheet, which will be downloaded in the background to your download files. So we go to the downloads and open Etude House Excel sheet. So right here we have the wholesale prices for Etude House in an Excel sheet. So let's go through the basics of this Excel sheet. First thing, all the cells which are yellow highlighted are required to be filled by you. So anything else, you do not need to enter any data there. So right here we have a contact details where you have to enter your name, your shipping address, and so on. Make sure you provide us the correct shipping address. So right here in this part, we have the supplier rates. The default supplier rate on each order sheet is for $5,000 plus, and we clearly mention right here. If your order is less than $5,000, mean US dollar, then you have to change your supplier rate according to your order total. Right here we have the summary of your order, where we have a total quantity, total based on the retail price, and total based on wholesale. Right here we have MOQ instructions. If your order is above MOQ, which is $300 in case of Etude House, and if it's above $300, this will change to yes, means minimum order quantity met. If it's not, then it will say no. So right here we have all the products listed, and we have a wholesale price here and the box quantity. Box quantity is the number of pieces in one box for each product, and you are requested to order by box quantity, at least one box. If you want more, you can order 2 boxes, 3 boxes, and so on. So if you want 1 box, you can enter 1 right here. That means you will get number of pieces 50, and total price for these 50 pieces is this, and wholesale price for these 50 pieces is right here. Under this part, the wholesale price is for 1 piece. Remember, this price is for 1 piece, not for the whole box. All the products are listed on this Excel sheet, which is quite large, and all the popular brands have a lot of products, and it is a bit of hassle to find the products, although all the products are listed in alphabetic order. So you can go through, scroll down to find the product, which is a bit of hassle. The easiest way is you can go up to the search bar in Excel right here and type in the product name. Make sure you type in the correct product name. If you do not know the complete name, you can type one part of it, but it must be accurate. So for example, we are looking for the baking powder line. So once I type baking powder and hit enter, the system will pull me down to the products with the name baking powder. Remember, it may take a while because there's a lot of data and Excel need a bit of time to match your query and return you the values. So right here is the product we are looking for, and we are at the baking powder. So there are many baking powder. You can go through and select the one you're looking for. So for example, we are looking for this one. We enter 5 boxes for this one. So you see our total is $147 and MOQ still no, because we did not met MOQ $300. So we enter more products, and once we hit above $300, minimum order quantity met is yes. So means we have ordered already above $300 and our order is valid. So once you are done with this, remember one more thing, that right here we have red highlighted products. That means this product has some kind of warning, and you have to do what you have to do is to go to the remarks last column, and you can read the instruction there, what is the problem with this product, if it's discontinued, if it's a new item, or this item has any other problem. So that will be marked right here. So let's assume we are done with the products we want to order. You may sort the products by this part, input number of boxes, and then you have a summary of all the products you have ordered. So you go through this again to make sure that you have ordered the right items with the right number of boxes and quantity. So let's assume we are done with this order. All we have to do is to click save, and we head back to the wholesale page again. To upload the order, you can click an upload button. Any of these, all of them will bring you to the same landing page. So you can click any of these upload buttons. So we click this one, and we are requested to add the file. So we choose the file from our system from download, that is Etude House, and click open, and you have to enter your name, and click upload, and that's it. Your file has been uploaded. Now you may close this box. Once we receive your order, after you upload, we will process your order and send you the invoice and also the payment instructions. Once you receive the invoice, you are requested to go through your invoice to make sure that everything is in place and is correct. So once you are sure with this, you go ahead and make the 50% deposit. Once you make a deposit, please send us the screenshot of your payment. We will go through and we will confirm once your payment arrives. Once the payment is arrived, we will start processing your order, and it takes around 1 to 2 weeks to prepare the goods. So once the goods are ready, we will send you the final invoice including shipping fee, and you will make the final payment. Once we receive your final payment, we will go ahead, ship your products, and provide you the tracking number. So simple is that. So I hope it's clear to you as how to order Korean cosmetics at wholesale from QD Pot. If still you have any question, or if anything is not clear, you may contact us through these contact options anytime, and we are always happy to assist you. Or you may comment below in the comment sections, and we will get back to you with the details. So this is it for today. I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we look forward to your wholesale orders. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.